Hi, Jason Canal, GQue Barbecue. Today I got a special guest that's going to show you guys how to make a tasty, crispy, delicious barbecue pizza on the Uuni wood fire pizza oven. If you want to see how he does that, it's coming up right now. Here at GQue Barbecue, we are all about the barbecue grilling and chilling lifestyle. If that's something that interests you, smash down that subscription button and hit that bell notification, and you won't miss any of our videos. So the inspiration for today's video comes from another use for leftover barbecue. We've done some of these videos in the past. I'll put them up in the iCard up above. Today I'm joined by my good friend Tony Roberts from Proudsouls BBQ down in Denver, Colorado. Tony, what are we gonna do today?
Hey Jay, today we're doing barbecue pizza. So super excited to be here. I brought along the Uuni 3 wood fire pizza oven. This is something we can all do at home. Bring your family, bring your friends, bring your neighbors, get ready for a good time, and it also makes delicious, delicious pizza.
So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is get our oven started. So we have a hopper here, some wood pellets, a little blowtorch, and a fire starter. We've hit ignition here. Now we're just gonna take some of these wood-fired pellets. Today we're using oak, a nice oaky flavor. Oak's a great hardwood. Doesn't give away too much smoke, so it's not gonna overpower our pizzas at all. Just a very nice mellow smoke, so we get a hint of that on the back end of our pizzas. Go ahead and get this ignited. Put it in the chute here. And we'll add a few more pellets there to get it going. Typically, this pizza oven takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get going. This oven can get up to 900 degrees, so our pizza will be done in 3 to 5 minutes. Let's get started making a pizza. As you can see, we have our ingredients out here. Most fun thing we'll be doing is a barbecue pizza. So we're using some of Jason's slow smoked beef brisket, some of his barbecue sauce here. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is take our crust. Today we're using this Wawaka brand. You can use this, you can use, if you like to make your own crust at home, which my little girls love to do, you're certainly welcome to do that. Get them to roll it out, have fun in the kitchen. Today, for simplicity's sake, we just stopped by the grocery store, grabbed this. So the first step we want to do is make sure we have a non-stick cooking surface. So these crusts have a tendency to stick, so you're going to want to use some cornmeal on top of that. Today we have some white cornmeal. It's as simple as taking this out and sprinkling it over the top. So today we're making barbecue brisket pizza. So what makes great barbecue pizza? The sauce. So we're out here at GQue, the topper. Take this right over the top of our crust. Nice and even coat, and then we're gonna spread it around with a spoon. That looks about right. Put our spoon in there. Go right up to the edge. Don't want a ton of sauce, just a little bit. And perfect. Little extra flavor will go over top with the GQue rub, so a little seasoning on top of that. Just a nice little coat here. Don't have to go crazy. Flavors are gonna come from our other ingredients as well. Okay, our sauce is down. Now we got the brisket. Just take that nice piece of brisket there, pull it apart. Ooh, look at that bark, beautiful. Doesn't have to be fancy. It's barbecue, it's pizza. It's meant to be fun. Just break up that brisket and go right on your pizza with it. All right, we got our brisket down, our pizza's ready for the topping. So this is where you can have some fun, get creative. Today we're gonna use some chopped red onion and some bell peppers, both orange and green. Give it some nice colors. So we'll start with this nice red onion, just right over the top. Use as little or as much as you'd like. Then I like to come in here with this bell pepper, beautiful color on that. And finally, a little bit of the green bell. So right over the top. Again, doesn't need to be perfect, sprinkle it on there, have some fun with it. All right, last but not least, the cheese. So here we got it, the mozz, fresh mozz. You can use shredded mozz, you can use cheddar, Parmesan, and we're gonna use a little of that. So go ahead, get in here. Once this mozzarella hits that wood-fired oven, it's gonna melt pretty fast. So what I like to do is just kind of break it up a bit here. In my opinion, a little cheese goes a long way on a pizza. And then to finish right over the top with just a little Parmesan pecorino. And this pizza's ready for the oven. Okay, so we got our fire started. It's been in there smoldering for a while. One thing you definitely want to do is make sure that ceramic stone at the bottom of this oven gets hot. So we want that screaming hot, so when our pizza's going here, it's cooking not only from the top with that flame coming over it, but from the bottom as well. So let's take a peek in here and take a look. Now that the fire's hot, we want to make sure that stone, our pizzas get in and off of there very easily. So let's go ahead and get some cornmeal on that. All right, we're ready to go in. So we're looking at this about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 90 seconds or so. We're gonna give this pizza a turn. Just a turn like that, and right back in. We're ready to bring this one out. Look at that cheese bubbling, nice and hot. So I grew up in St. Louis, and when we eat our pizza, we cut it into squares. When you cut into this, you want to hear that crunch.
Man, Tony, that pizza looks fantastic. Thank you so much for coming out today, showing us how to make it, and showing us the Uuni.
Hey, it's a great time, Jay. The pizza did come out great. Unis are a lot of fun, so thanks for having me out, buddy.
You bet, anytime.
Tony with Proudsouls BBQ.
Until next time, guys, Jason Goodall, GQue BBQ.